In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make this still image come to life using stop motion. If you haven't downloaded our app Lapse yet, please go download it. It's available in the Apple and Android app stores. So you're going to create a new project in Lapse. We have our phone set up here above a desk. It's important that you're not moving your phone throughout the duration of your shoot. You'll also notice we have our exposure and white balance locked. That's so that you aren't changing the exposure and white balance as you're shooting and moving things around and your hand is coming in and out. You want it to be the same throughout, so you're going to lock it and also use consistent lighting. So use a household lamp or any lighting that you have. Daylight is not consistent lighting because it changes as it goes in and out behind the clouds. So if you shoot with daylight, you could get a very flickery result in your end video. So we have the phone set up on the desk and we have our flat lay set up here with our candle and our blanket and pumpkin and some pine cones and all that fun cozy stuff. We're going to rotate this pumpkin 360. So what we're doing is we're just taking a picture, moving it a little bit and taking a picture and rotating it around until it reaches about around the same spot as where you started. We're using our ghost feature here to make sure the stem of the pumpkin is in the same spot each time we're shooting, because we don't want it, moving it to the left and to the right, and then when you play it back and it's rotating, it's kind of going wobbly all over the place. This way it's on the same kind of access point. So when you're done shooting, open up the player. We are going to rotate this first of all because it shot, even though it was flat down, my phone might have thought this was a horizontal video. So we're just going to rotate it. All these features are built right into the app. Let's see how it looks. All right, cool. As you can see, we have the backdrop. It's not fully covering the bottom, so you can see a bit of white there. So we're going to crop it, and then we're also going to increase the speed. Cool, that looks really good. Next, we are going to reposition the crop. So if you go to the tilt feature and then drag the whole video down, you'll be able to reposition the crop. This is a part of Lapse Pro, which you can try on a 7-day free trial. You can also pinch and zoom. So if you shot too wide or your desk, was a little too high, you can always adjust this in the tilt feature. And then of course, and we're also going to increase the brightness. The footage on the right, my camera was a little overexposed, so it looks brighter than it is. But if you look on the left, you'll see that's a more accurate representation of how exposed the video was. All right, this looks great. I am going to click the save button and save this as a video file. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please smash that like button. It really helps get our videos in front of more people on YouTube. All about that algorithm. We'll be releasing the tutorials on how we created all of these videos using our app Lapse. So if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button if you want to catch those tutorials. If you plan to recreate the video from this tutorial and post it to social media, specifically Instagram, I'd absolutely love to see how the video turned out. Please tag us at @lifelapse_app, or you can use hashtag #lifelapse, and you'll get a chance to be featured on our Instagram page. Thanks for watching.